Okay, really quickly. What is the difference between a shotgun mic and a lavalier mic? This is a shotgun mic. Let's get the one screen off. Okay, it goes on top of my camera and there's a little mount for it. It's meant to be spoken at from like this far away, maybe. That's about how far my camera is when I'm vlogging. It's really good for picking up sounds that are close to the camera, but not like super close to the audio source. Shotgun mics are really good for like all around videos. Like I mentioned earlier, I use it for vlogging and I'm actually using one right now. There you go. That's the mic that I'm using for this video. Honestly, I probably could use a lav and it sound a lot cleaner, but the idea with this series, okay, really quickly, is to just do quick and dirty, no research, just jump right into it. And that's what shotgun mics are great for, is run and gun style stuff. Whereas the lavalier microphone is meant for stuff like talk shows, prank videos, some talking heads videos. I have one client where we use one of these plugged into a separate audio recorder, then I will sync them up afterwards. Also, musicals, plays, stage productions use these mics, whereas these, where's the actual mic? These shotgun mics are more for stuff that requires a camera. I also use these for my podcast, so link in the description if you want to check that out. This lav mic specifically, I don't know what make or model it is. I just know that it works. I found this in a camera bag with our family's really old tape camera. And I bought a little mic clip for it so you could attach it right here. It's not the best with this kind of shirt. If you have something with a collar, you can hide it under that collar, or you could put it inside the buttons. The lav mic and the shotgun mic are literally the microphones themselves. So like, even though I have a separate recorder for the lav mic, you can plug a shotgun mic into one of these. You can plug a lav mic directly into your camera. And the only reason that I don't do that is because when I'm using a lav mic, I want to make sure I can hear what's going on really clearly, because I'm often using these in talking heads videos that are more serious, like interviews, business videos, and just stuff like that. Whereas this, it's my own channel, it's vlogs, it's stuff that I can afford to get another take. So let's do a difference test really quick. So I'm talking in the shotgun mic, you're hearing it, you've been hearing it this whole video, and then if I hit record on this, we're switching to this mic now, you'll notice it sounds less busy. Like, I don't know how well you can hear the fan in the background compared to the shotgun mic, but it should be a lot cleaner. And since I'm recording with a separate audio source, I have to do this to sync up the audio. In Premiere, it's not that big a deal, but you know, it's always a good habit to get into. Lav mics are really only used for dialogue, whereas the shotgun mic can be used for dialogue like I am right now, you know, like run and gun situations where you really don't have time to set one of these up, or just to get ambient sound, get Foley. It's a good all-around mic. And I actually did a video comparing this mic, the Rode Video Micro, to the one I'm using right now, the PFY Voice. You can check that review up here. To summarize, the only difference is use. So this is used for talking, it goes close to the subject's mouth. This is used for anything pretty much. At least I use it for everything. The way you capture the audio is completely up to you. I use this plus a shotgun mic for voiceovers, for ambient sound, any situation where I don't have a camera. And the big reason I don't plug this mic into my camera is because my camera doesn't have the headphone jack, so I can't listen to it while it's recording. I can see the audio levels, but it's not as good as hearing it. This is a smaller version of what a lot of boom operators use in Hollywood. So you think of all your favorite TV shows and movies where you like see someone holding a giant stick with a mic on the end of it. That is the boom operator, and they're holding like a much nicer version of one of these over the actors, and that's great because you don't have to put mics on the actors. Anyway, that's it. Now you know the difference between a lav mic and a shotgun mic. So if you like videos just like this one, you can hit that subscribe button down below. I post twice weekly. I make videos about videography and videography business, gear. Like this video if you liked it, and also leave a comment if you have any more questions or anything you want to say. I'll be reading those. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Or think about it. I never see you. You'll see me in the next video. Okay, peace.